High School na vavira hapa nyakopea kwa story ya basketball ensemo ya Kisii County ensemo ya basketball 5 aside 3 aside manyase kwa story yenko yo mwako yo na baba bako irukia betera ensemo ya Kisii Central Sub County kwa school yetumire sana ase chiko story korende ine mbare bali babekira koboko no mukikona kibuna nyancho ikira ase ya ikire na rero iga tubate bali abere gusanganere Kefa Mugire nero mwari mu chiko story ase school ya Nyancho Boys nero romoriki wekombe ya Kenya Basketball Association aigase county ya Kisii na tebya mange erebuno mwarimu na kiesa bali amwere simana yechigo sorry wikirabone igombya mono sana umwarimu nimete neru senke eregate yakorende tonyori bakanaye tegento ngogokera sana kwenda chakanere tari yao na Kefa abange bakorore korende bama itimugano Kefa nkomise mukiria ko nsemo kya kinete koro.
Asante sana. Sabonga nchere kwa na Kiswahili.
Aboko burkani.
Na ka risk kidogo.
Okay.
Kwa majina naitwa Kefa Mugire. Nambani bila demo captain amesema ama coach wa basketball. I'm secretary Kisii County Basketball Association and again an official in soccer in Nyaribari Church. Kwa Nyancho Boys, mimi ni mwalimu wa games and again a coach at the same time. Hiyo ndio kidogo naweza waambia juu yangu.
Labda baroro bagocha baba bakorora asagira bagira kuna arukarige Swahili ya keke usiye kikonde byo 5 igwari baroro bakorore sana korende Kefa kono mukire iburire koru na kiaki ne tanda kese amagana yichigo sori ngiri arakorora ya ukine igoro yichigo sori
inka matuno Nyaribari chache ni Kisii Central kere nkinete nyiboira so mucho matuno agali angana Kiogoro kere nkinete nchito mupira sana nande ngeshukuru wazazi wangu sana so nimba supported mretana karulenka ande getie barukunga matuno ya secondary achi wako mupira wa football no lenga se kijiji most of the time ato akira mupira to wati morunga matuno FC komengeri ya kabiri ya karugira kya nyacha shogete akabiri nyantorago we used to qualify kwa nyantoro to achi mupira de kurmatuno to atara to na nabisabu paka nyantorago to achi so akirete finals ya Kisii Central Chacho wako mupiro. Kingo shukurere my parents, they used to allow me kera nkole rimini ngakuna yabona ira. Kora bakimbele bakanu gumba ende kwako mipira mbati kora nko basaliere. Nje uri ane mbankane. They used to support binka yogo champiro chiwaka. Kolega asiyoko wale soma kera kore basoma tekulala mina chikoro mupira na wako mupira. No sabale no mpira chakereka agwe especially football. Anagena na kinetake hiyo tukachoka runka ali tukachoka unima kumenya sabarunga mwalimu mata no kindete koru ame class 5 kanyora se mipira wako Kisii campus na stadium alenge ball boy ya Shabana kwa ulusi kibaga akiro mupira babo Nyandoro naona gachira ali ntwa chese waka mupira na tarna bachizache na sebasi yabo ine panse yegeti twali yali mupira ya sanchi alengo nyana nchire football mono from that time of babo Nyandoro babo Michael Court ngana nchire Shabana sana
mole mande ke na kese njombara baucha bakorora guys chigo sori bakorora segeti mama itike fani ngaro mwalimu monene usaro mwalimu we myake meke kese mama itise ngencho avugo fita ndonzi
haya na vera se mchise myake menga sana iringo lyo mpira Shabana yalinga 1990 sana ndio batara iburu yona karigiri mpira 1995 96 chile start na lyo mpira sana Shabana agali
bana mwe ndio iboire
Jamo the 1982.
Okay.
The fourth floor.
Iko na kira pora be millennial.
Bali watanga na millennium nini.
Okay.
Watanga ni kabisa.
Okay.
Ana china hiyo mpira stadium mugabo. Na ntiro mpira mone especially Kenyan Premier League. Kirego maachia achire kusia chi tiaga sia karuturu into akarutero. Na ntiro mpira mono. Kirna ende mpira tele stadium achire Kisii campus na Kisii campus yali mpira no basketball. Kanyora soka teguli wa mono wake zole ante bara bambe getege ichire. Nyanza banyo kompira basketball na waka usaibonya na watu mpira riba baso kirezi kona kakego. Kachaka basketball tinde primary. Kisii campus yali.
Ngai no ndo tere wale bene ncho bara bange sana. Mpira yo basketball ese banyiro chitatanga ni pinense mu ya secondary. Una ncho monyene nchenyo kunete ke ndekara soira secondary. Ngai no tere bagali ya bene teko yokona kole primary.
Basi wana tende class 6. Tende primary. Kwenda Kisii campus gali naka tuwa secondary competitions. Kosa igoli bande basokire moro basako na mbire nje nanya rompira nya kurutaruta. Nyana nywanjire. Bata mu kese kana ngarangiruka no tunga musoche ngo mwako 1997. ndangeri form 1 kana tunga musone yange skuru na kabisa ngere ngochio ena nyorite football nero na basketball nero kwa kande football kwa kande basketball yange goalkeeper ingia sana ya soka
okay
ono nkandanga cha kwa basketball first time na basketball ya gakiru kana ngochorwe timu ya Cardinal tunga kinde form 1 ngako mupira first time tukana paka regionals alikana alengia mono basketball tukana paka regionals krera second time kana ngamio kirochia soka ane best school team soka ande second choice goalkeeper ngako mupira nkaumia kwa wote wangu kachi friendly nkaumia time toika end of second time coach ana basketball akante choose one area ndo basketball was soka kendo mwanafunzi nkaranga itochi atambe soka toka ruseri uzono sinachia bonya tieko sono swarusi basketball toka chile paka regionals nane saulia fankio na chifanga barabara ndo soka wale mono katika football kaenda basketball
okay
na chetu fuate my profession in basketball. I started playing all the way in the secondary okay college KU I was playing basketball paka isikoga
mbake nimete kwa bese chiko soli chechi secondary ase kege tambe nimete bana maroro korokia kwa basumira bangi onye regional kwa nyara kwa bakia semo ya regional quality manya ayo manyara una mosoli ase semo ya secondary mbware kiwe yete na basketball as
secondary the highest I went and regionals finals nito agate na maseno it was not in 1998 it was 1999 biro rango mkongu sana sinto nationals natoka lose by around 2 points kini regionals na kwenda kero mwaka ende secondary it was Cardinal the time kwa kendo the secondary ngama kwenda campus ngano mpiro na Premier League timu ya KU
nimetanda kese safari yao chitimu chiao kwa hiyo kwa chiti ensemo ya zonal ensemo ya sub county ensemo ya county ensemo ya regionals na korenga kemo ka regionals kwa secondary na sapa sekerengo kia nyanzengi matime yose na marorao litke rimo wiki team nationals
as a basketball my coach is very patient kera I believe nga inteto kula limo wekerani otaga watu are strategy number 1 you need to have a plan kena chaito basketball ga in 20 kena ite school ya Nyanchongozi yangu 2011 yeti ya basketball nkia lengo kakwane principal na ngoro ku Mr. Atuti namshukuru sana kiana Rongete Foundation ya sports ngaransi office in 2011 akamboli tatogo mwalimu wa games in Nyanchongozi nani mbate a passion na games sana Roma nyara ngante 20 two areas you can specialize kante my interest is in soccer and in basketball kante soccer kanto bwa tigeti basketball to bwa tigeti but it's easier to make a basketball pitch kera kera sinini kubegi ya soccer neke na nake kante to chakere na basketball chakoro sigeti na small way kia maram and then we build 2022 chakoro sigeti ya basketball and we started making a team from scratch mana wata mai basketball ninki ikoro tombo bwati ubuse yoka from 2012 all the way to 2017 we used to lose at the sub-county into what county, so what's the district, Key Central District. 2017, County Chigacha in secondary school sports. County Chigacha, 2017 we qualified to the county as number 2, the Kisi school in Togaitu. But in 2018, we qualified to the region for the first time. On 2011, paka 2018, we achieved county. Wake saa we to 7 years. From 2018, paka mtoko anavona iga, the basketball team has never missed going to the region. We've been going there every year. And I want to believe there is a magic in 7. Christianity 7, 7. But I'm going to saba. What some other meaning.
Okay.
7 years, I went to the county. I've been at the region for the last 7 years. This should be my 7th year at the region. So what the basketball 3x3, kuna uwezekano mkubwa, they'll break through to the nationals. And I promise you, if you go to the nationals, you will not come back. You may stay there for 7 years. You're trying to plan the next step, East Africa. But I'm very patient. I believe very soon the basketball team is going to nationals. Kama itawezekana mwaka na 3x3, then it should be next year both in 3x3 and 5x5.
Abaki ni mate mama mate una nama nyete safari yaye nama itikiriaga nikija kwa baka guskavosio torenda somo timoko tugwadinga na getingwa taiga getinkia rengororo na tarire Kisi county na tarire Nyamira county chiskuru chinke sana chitagwa tigeti na nigo bakorera guna ndake mbabwa tinguru choko sigeti timna ndake geti kunekeiga kwani ni bokeyega neiri kwa chiskuru chias nyusana koroseke egeti wetera ndake ni bobwata
betune ya basketball tobwatega kere ya Cabros. We spent 1.5 million after two accorded the foundation kia tuachagete na Moram in 2012 tukaweka Moram Nature Rims But in 2018, that's what County, the principal saw that there is a need for us to have a good field. So stakeholders here, everybody, friends, and the Wakupet, Tokora contributions, and 1.5 million was raised. Kabros Kaweko. So to invest in such a field, we need more than 1 million. And that's what we spent.
It's more than 1 million.
It's more than 1 million.
Okay. Ndaka ebuno mugwata nikoreka mbegi ya KBA SSM ya Kisii County ngikera kolekare ne chiskuru kinge chitwalege chese cyaro chiskuru kinge sana chibwato bote bwa basketball je dimete mwake chiskuru ya seasonal sa sub county level chibwato bote bwe game ya kolende bono babwate train obwe sorry ya basketball babwate geti ya ira mbako baba yatimenya ngikera kolekare ne chiskuru kinge chitwalege viti.
Two things. To invest in happy knowledge principles, they need to see commitment from teachers and the students. Before we take a Sigu, we had a very good team. The players were so much committed and which is very boom big. So I take coaches school children and what are passion. The principals are security to what the passion in that area and even the students. And then number 2 is what we call collaboration. As a coach, even as a school, you collaborate with people outside there. For instance, I'm working closely with Giants of Africa, but and they promoted our students. They gave us some exposure, and they promised to come back and make a field in Kisii County, most likely in this school, another one in a public area. We've been fighting to get a place in a public area to make a stadium. The Giants of Africa promised us that they'll come back to Kisii and they make 2 fields for free. One of them will be in this school, another one outside there. But even before they come to our school, as a space, as a county government, even in the stadium, we've been talking to Fred Onundu. So number 1, we need that public space. Number 2, we need collaboration. Like on 3rd July, I'm having an online clinic, the Junior Africa coaches, that is in NBA, Junior NBA Africa. How do I wish that coaches collaboration, let them come and link to me, but connect, because when the NBA Junior Africa starts training coaches, they'll identify where you come from, and they'll come and give us facilities. So that is one of the areas that we're looking at, and very soon, the NBA Junior Africa, they may come and give us a court in Kisii land, and we are looking for space.
Mwalimu bwatira bongote gunanda kemero brinero twenda somo twamukozi gane semo ya kabere na udabya mankarikira akoragari kumake wasori ya basketball asoro ngorwa gusi ndakera buna umwalimu akita kigosori amarora enarali.
Ekanisa ya Light to Life the Messenger Church ngege gikoragwa nere Pastor Job Obaye nigego kwaligania ase ibada yogo sisenia na gusabira liroba.
Wachawi wakati wanakamata biashara, wanakamata udongo wa mtu. Jumapili niko na ibada ya kuvunja bila laana kwa kila familia. Wewe utasema shikia, watoto watu watafunguliwa, maisha yako yatafunguliwa, biashara yako itafunguliwa. Yeyote aliyelelea udongo wa kwako, na mimi nimechukua nguvu za Yesu Kristo, nitalelea udongo wa kwako, na kisha siku ya Jumapili utatoa udongo wako hapa kwa madhabahu, utarudisha kwako, utarusha pale.
Ni Jumapili chitalikia 30 cy'umutinyo 5 asa madhabahu y'ekanisa yagotoka asense moya ngege musocho ekirako genda raganga. Ninchuo Tosiborwe.
Umwanchu murigereria wege taseni kandi zitime na kwariganira somorogerio wege singa kama seseni ya keri tukule Jumapili kuchakira chinsa 12 weka chinsa inye chamambia ase kuchakira chinsa 12 weka chinsa 12 nenusu tokonyera matera amatoereru yogo sasima pokea sifa baba na utukufu uchakira chinsa 12 nenusu weka ense ya motonyora amarandia kurwasa barandia ao kikoraga ensa eyemo ya mambia nanyore amatera yigesinga top 5 amatera 5 amakenono kukegima moyo kalira bikone tenye basire moyo kalira makumya ngatane basire Yekoraga chinsebere chamambia ninkoretere amateri au elinya kusanga munanto ye masemo akachinsi zetu mwanchumo ligereria nonyore request awa asoko saboko tera kwao kera litukolia Jumapili 12 weka chinsa inye chamambia toma chako ligereria egesinga kama sesenia wesa molere ama sesenia ao
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi.
Ndiamona sana mtukona ngemoka igoro no muri gwechi wa Sorry Nchanda mo Steven Captain 001 SMA mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News oto ikaro sanga mange igorenga nerengete chiwa so narogo tubate Kefa Mogire mwarimu gwechi wa Sorry Access School ya Nyanchwa Boys muri kimone bwekembe ya Kenya Basketball Association aigase county ya Kisii watera mange igoro ya kile arorego tera chiwa Sorry wetere myake menge abira sama narengete chiwa Sorry ngote bikore ngegoro ya uko bwatera nago ko yara kaba okolete bitega ti manyanda ke soko bwatera noko una weka wate una weka litani asa yoro kibuna nagwato ukugani kwego Sorry ya basketball aweka goodwill ya boro kurwase abagosori kurwase ebyombe ao ti manyanda ke serikali chetu ka serikali ya county ya Kisii na Nyamira asaro chikoba chiganeri rende partnership zichanyara kwa chiko kana so wangu.
Kwanza una county government, we need so much to come in place, and I'm sorry to say this, Kisii County government they invest in sports a lot. As a sports person, I really feel it. For instance, the one that Kisa Kenya Youth Sports Championship have been pushing it in the county government. Nero ya wana wa Kisii County a chance to develop their talent. Kisii County manya kwera wana se Kisa, that is in basketball, volleyball and soccer. Other counties chiko enda Kisii County mbaliko enda. I've pushed that a lot, but kila the support it becomes very hard for us to market these children of ours. Kila because from such championship, the players bako manyakana, then they realize in Kisii we have players, they come back to invest in us. But the moment we expose wana tawale as county governments, as schools, sometimes it becomes very difficult. My prayer, Kisii County wana watu at the time wana cha these youths, kila the only way to develop talent in Kisii and even in this country is to invest in the youth. But as long as they cannot teach an old dog new tricks. You can train them, you can nurture them, you can motivate them, you can do anything to these children. But Kisii County does not want to invest in kids, and sometimes I look at what they do. County government saying Kikoska, and they're investing millions in Kikoska, which is just leisure for those elderly people of the Kisii County. County employees. And their mothers, they have no passion in sports, they go to get allowance. But these small kids who have a future in sports, the county has invested zero in them. I wish Kisii County government operate on Nunumbaro, our governor Simbarati, we pray that to come down and start assisting us to develop soccer in sports. Number one, Kisii Stadium area, basketball, volleyball and other areas again. Number two, let them also allocate the resources to the ground. Because I'm told there is money that goes to the county for sports. SHS sports, where do they go to? Because me as a sports person who has been in Kisii, I've not seen any impact of Kisii County in sports. Even balls, I'm having an academy ya basketball. Kisii County has not even given me a single ball. But I get balls from Nairobi. I get balls from outside the country. But I'm nurturing kids of Kisii County, and Kisii County is not even supporting a lot. So Kisii County pia wanafaa kufanya kazi mingi sana in ensuring that they support us, to support this young generation, so because there is future in sports.
Katika rabu wa sema na rigitanda ke rivagaria serikali ya county ya Kisii aso sira chi hoso ni mwana saba kusori abake katero mwako nyara kaba kugwetana rago kuira timu ya county ya Kisii kete semeri ya Central Kenya onye tina nyara kaba gikweba na uyetuma sana kwa ndirali bagari arengo roko rende kete bichabe tororo toro chabanto sana bagukure semetandao onye ngiga bunandake treatment tebe tingiye ase timu ya chetoro ti manake ore rensa bariki ya arengo roro na kilitore sombi uno ngorwa gusinga kino nitonyoli bagabunariri.
It was a dark day for me and for my sports players. Kisii County, I want an academy. They don't have an academy in whichever area. So when we had Talanta Hela, what the Kisii County government decided to do, they decided to go to schools and pick a team.
Cherry pick.
So they went and picked a team called Omwari to go and represent Kisii County at the lower levels, that is at Nyanza region. Omwari went and played and they became number 2. But those kids and teachers of Omwari, I want to say that they were mistreated. Walikuwa mistreated vibaya sana. They were not given meals, they were not given allowance, they were not given transport. So the teachers and students of Omwari were discouraged. So hakutaka kwenda. When we had a playoffs at Nyeri, they did not want to go. So somebody advised Kisii County that if we go to Nyanchwa Boys, we have a very good team of young players of that right age. So I was given a call by one of the officials of Kisii County government, and they told me, tupatie wachezaji wako waende kucheza Talanta Nairobi. And then I told them, I don't have an issue, you take them. So I gave them those players, but some of the parents insisted, kama walikuwa na some clue what happens with the Kisii County government. Wazazi wangu wengi wakaniambia, mwalimu watoto wana nani Nyeri. And I told them, they're going under the Kisii County government, they'll be taken under the Kisii County government. Some parents told me, if you're not going with those kids, they'd rather not go. So when I told the county government, and some parents have refused, so wakaniambia, tuende na wewe kama mwalimu wao so that we carry them. So when I accepted to take those kids to Nyeri, so the kids came. So I was not even employed by Kisii County government, I was going just to escort my players. So majorly they were Nyanchwa players and a few from Omwari, around 4 kids from Omwari. Sasa walienda Nyeri, wakafika kule, wakacheza, while other county governments were being given allowances, they were being given boots, they were being treated well. Watoto wa Kisii County, they were given nothing. By the time they are coming back, I was supposed even to provide fare for those kids to their homes. Tuliza county government sincerely. I brought my kids here, wamefika wamecheza. Wamefika Kisii town. Some of those kids are coming from South Mugirango. Some of them are coming from Western. There is children from Nyanchwa Boys, yes, but they have homes. They don't stay in Nyanchwa Boys. It was over the holidays. Walikataa kupatia toto fare, kids were stranded in town. So at the end of the day, I was forced as a coach again to look for money from my own pocket. Mimi, I was not given an allowance. I was staying in Nyeri, courtesy of my own support. Tumefika Kisii, nikatoa pesa nikawapatia. It was a very bad show, and I do believe with Kisii because I was told later there was money provided from the national government, and where it was going to the pockets of the employees. How do I wish that Kisii County government, tuko na sports minister, tuko na CECs, tuko na everybody in that county government. We have even Simbarata, I don't even know what happens in that sports department to put things straight. Naanza kusaidia vijana wa mtaa because it was a very bad experience. Nilichukua vijana paka I felt like next time I not carry any kid to go and represent Kisii County in any competitions because they were mistreated badly. It was a bad experience.
Kola sana mwalimu na ni matebuna sema ya serikali ya county ya Kisii Kolonero Mugavana Paul Simbarati amuna umwaziri w'ekiko sorry Eric Niyenda mbana kibona ndake kirikia bere ko rumageka bali banya kwa bakumia gwetera kurukia bendera rongo rwa Gusii intundera nya kwa bagekobwate mbaba korendoke boikranu kwene kibona bonse banyorire obwene bwabo banyode ngeri yabo irinde chigosori chisuke bosio asenchira yobororo kwenda sabono mwalimu nimete tokol tiko sori chia secondary anda kenchigendrete chosori cha Kenya Secondary School Sports Association inchigendrete na kirabona ntobe to sweka ngo kirikia regionals twabate timu engi ya yenkoyo igatware sabari yuke karango kirigia chi quarter final chigosori timanya inkirora tena kesa bari abere muna for the first time again kurunga tuma ko yo 2017 whatever 2018 kara whatever the magical years Kenya Nyanchwa Boys chia chagete kata litani piwa chire karango gie county anje tindanya rakaba ngosira.
The first time to achieve the county it was in 2019.
Soccer.
What happened in 2019? Mtoa wate yeti ya soke skuru ya sangi 2011 18 pia lengo. So in 2016 we started making our soccer field. We invested again around 1 million shillings, and the CDF by then, led by Mwampio Lengo na Tsichiwesa, tukaplant yeti yetu. It took around 3 years that field to germinate grass. Kwanza kugetumia 2019 we opened that field. So we had a very good team. We trained them. They went to the county in Chogo. Those players played. They drew 1 match and lost 2 matches, and we came back. Immediately after 2019, it was a very young team, just like this other team that we are preparing for years to come. Most of them young Form 1 and Form 2. Something happened in 2020. COVID came. So what a very good team that was supposed to go to the region. COVID came. 2020 we never had sports. There was no soccer. That was timing. 2021 ndo what a soccer. The team will take our first off because of that. Our captain Yeto Lengo, Carol Clinton, who finished Form 4 and currently is playing in Bidco in the Premier League. And then 2023 again we started sports. Now in that 2023 I intentionally decided to raise a very good team. I invested, I went and scouted kids from class 8 to admit Form 1, only Form 1s. 2022, they were majorly in Form 1. We lost through penalty shootout at the sub-county level in quarterfinals. Those kids were promoted to Form 2. And then last year again admitted some other Form 1s. Walicheza, they played very good matches, but something again happened. Tukapatikana one of our players alikuwa by 2 months. So we were not allowed to proceed. Although we never lost a match, we are not allowed to proceed through beyond the zone of level. So we lost at that level. Coming this year, those Form 1s that we admitted 2 years ago, now they were in Form 3. So that team currently is made of Form 3s, Form 2s and Form 1s. We played a very good soccer match. We beat even Key School at the semi-final level, 4-0. Tukapiga finals 1-0. Tukaenda county. Those kids played very good football. Tukafika quarterfinals, we were beaten by Sameta. Most people were surprised that we were beaten at the county sub. Expectations zao zilikuwa tuende regionals. Me, I was surprised that people were expecting us to go to regionals the first time at the county. To me as a coach, I'm very patient. That team, I gave them a target to be at the county this year, and they were there. And I'm very happy. If they were to go to the region, I could have been surprised. But the same team now is here. Next year, those kids will be in Form 4, Form 3, and Form 2. Remember, next year to admit kids in Form 1 because there's no admission. That team will mature next year, and I'm assuring you, those kids are going to the region, and they still have a very high chance. I've done a lot of studies. Most of the teams are maturing this year. Gorosare, they're ending this year. Kisumu Day, I know what is happening in Kisumu Day. That team, with the time, it's going off because I know Buka, there is high chances it will be transferred to another school, and that team will die. Next year, we're taking that team to the region, and most likely it may be at nationals. Because we've nurtured it, it's the 4th year, they're likely to do wonders next year.
Manjumari twairwo ira unanda ke skuru ya Nyancho Boys enko yombaga ndetagwe toma na intundere bosio mbaikare ko basa balenga sendure ko ndona sono to chikobato gukora ndoche nimbata igege kombe nimbata iga liru beti manya ebinte bimbate mitokie gine komba bana wa basketball 3x3 nto wate county championship gine kombe to wa in Kisii County basketball 3x3. We won it for the 2nd year. Remember 3x3 began last year in interschools. Tukacheza tukashinda trophy ya Tunduru Boys. 3x3 na story ya basketball hapa story patote NSM yemo na patote NSM. Then this year tukacheza pale Nduru the same venue again tukashinda mara ya pili. So this is the most recent trophy that we have as Nyancho Boys that we've defended for the 2nd year. And God willing again next year to defend the council becomes ours forever. And then you have a letter. Hii barua ni kijana wetu anaitwa Timothy Gabriel Asewa Obare. This one of our star players in term 1 was voted the best player in basketball 5x5. Term 2 he was part of the team ni wale ambao waleta trophy Kisii County, and then because of his performance he has been selected to play for the Kenyan team under 16. He traveled today to Nairobi, is joining the other team in Nairobi in under 16, and that shows us that whatever you are doing in this field is bearing fruits. When you have a team from Nyancho Boys, the first call-up in Kisii land, naitwa national team, we are very proud because tulisema we want to develop basketball mashinani. When you are seeing a player from Nyancho Boys went to the Kenyan team, the basketball, we know you are doing the right thing,
and we shall produce more in years to come.
Mwalimu wanje bila ndake Kenya under 16 na roro mwanyo rego makoyo moro kiwa we skuru yeye kwa ngoro kwa ntebiri bere bro mosoro ino yomo na ara set team ya beat koti manyandake what are the other success stories chechi kwa sori eseke kwa bire gabana barura iga esebale bona iskai esti kwa sori
Success stories za shule ni nyingi especially in basketball and soccer. Currently we have a child who has been given scholarship in Denmark, Scotland. He was our captain 4 years ago. He was the most valuable player in basketball. Equally, is called Gabriel. When that Gabriel saw that another Gabriel has been called the national team, said there is a magic in the name called Gabriel. Currently, he's given scholarship in Canada and is playing basketball there free of charge because of basketball. Currently, we have a player called Fredrick Odendo. He's in the Kenya Premier League. He's given full scholarship in Nazarene University. He's currently playing in the Kenya Premier League and is among the most valuable players in basketball. Most of our players are under scholarship playing in colleges, especially in soccer. In soccer currently, 4 of our players walicheza hapa Nduru. Wameitwa waende kuchezea team in Mombasa, but I don't know what will happen because they're still in Form 3. That is Abedi and some 3 midfielders. Wameitwa waende kuchezea team called Mombasa Elite in Mombasa under some sponsorship but it's in the process. So when we get such kind of stories, it gives me a morale to continue to train those kids, and it gives us a lot of motivation. So the bright is future, and really we are producing a lot of talent in this school of ours, both in soccer and basketball.
Mwalimu whatever the bright is future, whatever the future is bright, kurega sege karogia chiko segona to chiko kora bono timanyandake amarora wasiko solia na ralinse taikemo.
Now mine, I believe in the years to come we are going to produce very good players and very good teams in Nyancha Boys. The only thing I urge parents and even teachers and even students, when a child is talented in sports, to encourage, to discourage. You don't know what this child will become in the future. Sasa hivi tunaongea ndio na generation Z. Walikuwa wanafanya a lot of demonstrations in town. Reasoning, there are no opportunities for these kids, especially in terms of employment. Sports is an equal employer for these kids. Apart opportunity, let us not discourage them, especially in schools. When a child is doing well in schools and some teachers discourage them, inakuwa a very big burden because ni kama unaua their talents. Let us encourage them, and those kids who are in sports, we also encourage them to work hard in class because pia talent pekee bila masomo hawezi kusaidia. At some point I got a very good player last year in soccer. I wanted to admit in Form 1, but when marks yake ya KCPE, he scored 135 marks. So kama utamsaidia namna gani? Those who are talented, we also assist you to work hard in class. We tell you work hard in class and be disciplined, utapata a good future.
Ndiamono sana, all the best sa career yao ya Chigosori na SSMR ya basketball. Abekale una Kefa Mugiro mwalimu wa Chigosori SS Kuria Nyancha Boys in Chanda Steven, captain 001 agoto ikiro mwalimu wa Omorobedi wa Chigosori weekend ndasanga maange.